NASA finally reveals what Voyager 1 really discovered in 1977.
Imagine this for a second. A tiny spacecraft, built with technology older than your phone, is now farther from Earth than anything humans have ever created. And one day, it sends back a signal so strange, it leaves NASA completely stunned. What did Voyager 1 find out there? And why did it take NASA decades to reveal the truth? Let's go back to where it all began.
Welcome, explorers of the infinite universe. This is Infi Space, our first journey together into the unknown. If you love stories from the edge of the cosmos, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what comes next. Now, let's step into the darkness. September 5th, 1977, Cape Canaveral, Florida. A Titan IIIe rocket rises into the sky, carrying a small, gold-colored spacecraft no bigger than a household fridge. No one watching that morning imagined this little machine would become the first human-made object to leave the solar system, or that it would still be alive nearly half a century later. Voyager 1 wasn't built to make history, but somehow it did.
In 1979, Voyager 1 arrives at Jupiter, and suddenly, the universe feels bigger. For the first time, we see the planet's monstrous stories up close. Hurricanes the size of Earth, swirling clouds thousands of miles wide. And then Io, a moon bursting with active volcanoes. Volcanoes beyond Earth. Voyager had already shattered expectations, but the biggest surprises were still ahead.
When Voyager 1 reached Saturn in 1980, something strange happened. Its instruments began detecting sudden bursts of radiation. Magnetic readings spiked. Even the spacecraft's orientation shifted for reasons no one understood. NASA thought it was malfunctioning, but it wasn't. Voyager was sensing a kind of energetic chaos around Saturn that no model had ever predicted. The rings weren't silent at all. They were alive. After Saturn, Voyager took a new path, straight toward the edge of the solar system. A place no spacecraft had ever reached. A place no one had ever mapped. Would it survive the radiation? Would it lose power? Or would it simply fade into silence? No one knew. But as the decades passed, the little spacecraft kept going, and the data it sent back began to change. Far from home, Voyager's instruments started picking up patterns that didn't make sense. Plasma levels rising, magnetic fields strengthening, charged particles hitting the probe from impossible angles. A constant hum of background radiation, unlike anything inside the solar system. Engineers were baffled. Was Voyager failing? Or was it detecting something no human instrument had ever touched? In 2012, NASA finally confirmed what the data had been whispering for years. Voyager 1 had left the solar system. It was now in interstellar space, the vast region between the stars. But that wasn't the real discovery. What shocked NASA were the conditions out there. Plasma density skyrocketing, magnetic fields far stronger than expected, ancient cosmic radiation hitting the probe directly, and a mysterious plasma oscillation, a ringing sound, proving Voyager had crossed into the unknown. People often wonder why NASA didn't reveal this immediately. The truth is simple. The data was too strange, too unexpected. Scientists doubted their own instruments. One engineer even said, "We thought Voyager was broken until we realized it was telling us the truth." It took years to confirm the impossible, and when they did, astronomy changed forever. Today, Voyager 1 drifts more than 24 billion kilometers away, farther than any human creation has ever traveled. Its power is fading. but its message is eternal. Voyager proved that the universe is alive with forces we still don't understand, and that human curiosity can reach across the stars. Somewhere out there, in the cold, silent dark, Voyager 1 is still traveling, still listening, still sending tiny whispers home. If this journey into the unknown sparked your curiosity, make sure to subscribe to InfiSpace for more stories from the edge of the universe. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and share it with friends who love exploring the cosmos as much as you do. You'll find all the official NASA and Voyager sources linked in the description below. Take a look if you want to dive even deeper into this discovery. And now, I have one question for you. Do you think Voyager 1 will ever detect something even more mysterious out there in interstellar space? Tell me your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. Until then, see you soon in our next adventure.